Hey, if you are a 3D print nerd, well, this is the video for you. Today we're gonna build this little fun brush to clean your 3D printer. Doesn't matter if it's a Bambu Lab P1P or P1S or X1C, it's just fun to make. Let's print it, let's make it, and let's get into the video. Hi, my name is Alessio, this is Pixel Forge Lab, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to the channel. I am already holding the parts that I printed, but let's see the process of the printing. The STL file was downloaded directly from makerworld.com, and you can find the link in the description down below. It's really easy and it's already set up. You can even download the 3MF file if you want to. The printing time was really quick, really quick, especially if you own a Bambu Lab. All the parts don't require support, so that's a plus. And here are the parts. This is the top, the handle, but you can download 3 types of handle. You can download the round handle, the fancy handle, or the other type of handle. Here's the screenshot or the page. And this is the screw, which is in 2 parts. And I'll show you why in a second why. And it goes like this. You just screw it in like this. And then we have another part where all the purge lines goes inside to side, like fold it in like this, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, this is what we need. Oh, we don't need the arc reactor, but we need the parts. Once we have the parts, we can take out some of the purge lines, like that, and let's say half of them. And that would be enough. And then we can keep the other half for the cats. And here we go, a little brush. Let's take it in action. But not here. And this is my Bambu Lab P1P with all the poop and crap down here, so we can just scoop it out with this little brush. And well, you get the gist of it. Like I mentioned at the beginning, if you're a nerd like me, you probably kind of stare at all your purge lines when they start and when they finish, and then you don't know what to do with them. So if you want to know what to do with them, please do check this video right here or in the box down below. It just shows how nerd someone can be with 3D printing and collecting all the purge lines. But this is the point, you collecting them in the little thingy right there in the video, and then after you have enough, you can make this small brush to clean all your poop down in your printer. And bonus features, if you have a cat, well, I do have 5 now. Well, I had 1, and then I had a second one, and then they had babies literally a week ago. And now I have 5 cats. So this little bonus feature kind of works for me. You can make a little toy cat with those purge lines, and here is how. I mean, look at my cat, it's literally going crazy with it. As soon as he saw these little lines moving and making noise, it was just starting going crazy, and as you can see, it's going nuts every time I take them out, and it's really fun. And thank you so much to the sponsor of this video, Polymaker, which sent me a lot of filaments to try out, and I'm having a blast. In fact, you can see behind me a little Dr. Doom, which was printed with silk gold filament, and it turned out amazing. Remember to watch the video where I show what to do with the purge lines and how to store them, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do to consider so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.